when we talk of monsoon, I already spoke of hair care during monsoons in my last video, and today I'm going to be talking about skincare during the monsoon. This is Dr. Bhavi Mody from Vrudhi Holistic Healthcare. It's been a pleasure addressing you guys through my videos and staying connected with you all through the videos. So if you have been liking my videos and if you find some worth in the videos, do like and share the video. Thank you. So let's get back to skincare. So what typically happens is we have three types of skin generally. So one is the oily skin, the dry skin, and the combination skin. So what is hit the most during monsoons? So it's the oily skin type. Generally, oily skin is a resultant from hormonal changes, and to treat oily skin, the need is to cleanse your face, at least 2 to 3 times in a day, but not very often. Otherwise, you're going to strip off the natural oil. So just 2 to 3 times in a day, you should be cleansing your face. Avoid heavy cream application on your face. Because as it is, the skin is oily, and with more cream application, you are blocking the pores. So avoid that. Use a little lukewarm water to wash your face. A home remedy here, use gram flour. A wonderful remedy to cleanse your face, and it just removes the oiliness and the stickiness from your face. And just add a pinch of turmeric to it for the antiseptic element, and you can see how your skin is going to glow, and what it's going to really make a difference to your skin. So we are done with the oily skin, and now we come to the dry skin. Dryness is due to dehydration and lack of the skin repairing vitamins. So during monsoon, the problem worsens. So now what do you do is, just because it's monsoon, are we not going to use any moisturizer? No, we are definitely going to use a moisturizer. So moisturize your skin so that it does not stay dry, and it very much has rehydration. So your skin has to stay hydrated to give that soft look. So the only precaution here is, do not use moisturizers that have alcohol content. So use a alcohol-free toner. So just go in for a plain simple tip here is take a little of glycerine, add rose water to it, and apply the mixture on your face and get that glow. For combination skin, it's like you have this T-band, which is oily, and the cheeks are usually normal or a little dry. So since it's combination, you will do according to what we have advised for the oily and the dry skin. So wherever the portion is oily, you will treat it as an oily skin, and where it is dry, you will treat it like a dry skin. So you just cleansing, toning, and moisturizing are the three things that you should be doing even during the monsoons. So these are just the normal day-to-day things of skincare, which we all pretty much know, and we all take care of that. So now the question here arises, what about the UV protection? Do we need to protect our skin from the sun since it's already cloudy and you're not having too much of sun? Yes. Even though it's cloudy and even though you do not have the direct sun on you, you will still apply a SPF of more than 30 to protect your skin from the harsh UV rays, because they can still travel and do damage to your skin. So please apply a sunscreen even during monsoon. It's very, very imperative. The common patients that I generally see are coming to me with fungal infections, ringworm, then athlete's foot, and a lot of thing wherein it's to do with a lot of humidity. So let's address each problem at hand. Fungus infection is mainly due to the humidity, and mainly affects your toes and the other folds, wherever you have folds, sometimes the back, wherein, people who perspire a lot, even the back is affected. Otherwise, generally, it's seen in the folds. Fungal infections are mostly caused by wet and humid atmosphere. And to control the fungus infection, what you should be doing is, first and foremost, stay dry just to avoid them. Carry a set of extra pair of clothes to your office, to your work, and change immediately into a dry set of clothes, because that's very much needed to keep you dry. Apply calendula talc to prevent the fungus and accumulation of sweat and moisture in the skin folds. Calendula is one of the best medicines for fungal infections, so kindly resort to calendula ointment, a super medicine. The body parts that are exposed to muddy water or rainwater should be immediately washed off and cleaned with lukewarm water. Just add a little bit of calendula mother tincture or echinacea mother tincture to the water that you're going to clean your body parts with. So that acts as an antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal. So superbly well acts on skin ailments for the monsoons. And to prevent fungal infections, the other thing that you should be doing is using homeopathic medicated soaps, something that has calendula. Yeah. So we were talking of athlete's foot, which is a mixed bacterial and fungal infection. It generally starts from the toe, and you will see a whitish skin coming up, and then there is a accumulation of pus in that area. Generally happens when your foot is exposed to the rainy muddy water, and you have been repeatedly exposed to that kind of dirty water. So ideally wash your feet as soon as you reach home or you reach work, and see that it's completely dry so that you don't develop a athlete's foot. But if you happen to develop a athlete's foot, homeopathy works wonderfully well. So scabies is another illness or skin infection that comes up during the monsoons. Generally, children are affected with scabies. And one thing that you need to be careful when it's scabies is that it's contagious and it spreads. So the entire family has to be treated for scabies. And please take treatment. The entire family should be taking a treatment for scabies. It generally manifests with a lot of itching, and between the folds of the fingers, and you will find that there are small openings that you see, and the itching is intense, which aggravates at night. Kindly consult your doctor to see if it is scabies, and if it is scabies, please treat it well. Again, I have had the opportunity to treat cases of scabies only with homeopathy, and it's worked wonderfully well for both my patients. So if anybody having this issue of scabies, you could reach out to me. Another thing that we see happening frequently in the monsoons is pimples, acne. OMG, the name pimples and all the teenagers just go, ah. So yeah, but due to the humidity, it's very common in the monsoons, because your sweat glands and your oil glands are overactive in the rains, and it increases the tendency to pimples and breakouts. And to stay away from pimples during the monsoons, homeopathic medicines are your best bet. Nothing better than homeopathy to cure you of your pimples with monsoons, without monsoons, because otherwise they are generally due to the hormonal changes that are happening in the teenagers and otherwise. So for pimples and acne, home remedy that I would like to suggest is take papaya, and you could just make it into a pulp. Add a little of aloe vera gel, and add a little of turmeric, and apply it as a pack on your face, and that really works very well. And other packs along with homeopathic medicines that we prescribe, we have a mother tincture for skin specially. We formulated it for acne, and it really works very well when used with multani mitti or fuller's earth and rose water. So that is something that you should be looking at for acne. Keep the skin clean and dry at all times, and do not scrub or rub your skin, because that damages your skin more. Lessen the use of heavy creams and oily makeups and chemicals. Keep your skin chemical free and oil free for the monsoon. So let your natural beauty just show up, because that's what's going to be the best. Aloe vera gel, again recommended as always. It works wonderfully well. So opt for foods that are rich in omega-3, because that is very much needed. Vitamin E is something that you should be looking at. Eat warm foods, consume more fluids and liquids during the monsoons. A dose of vitamin C is a must during monsoons to boost up your immunity. So fruits that and vegetables that are having rich content of vitamin C is something that you should be looking at for you to not fall sick frequently. And as you know, my favorite prescription, homeopathy medicines will always help you to have a happy monsoon. So stay healthy, stay happy, switch on to homeopathy and just stay blessed. So this is Dr. Bhavi Mody from Vrudhi Holistic Healthcare signing off now with skincare for monsoon tips. Thank you so much.